Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Purity Jane kama kawaida, and my channel name is Purity Jane Vlogs. And for those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share. And so guys, today I just decided to travel alongside the country, and the country is Iraqi. And so guys, I just really like everything about it. I actually liked the green land, the green part actually. And the funny thing is that I was told for 50 days that the land is going to be green. I think it's because of the weather. We go with specific seasons, guys, and it's not every time that the country, it's always desert. Yes, we know it's a desert country, but can you guess what, guys? Oh my god, I just felt like I was back in my country. I just felt like I'm in Africa. You see, I was so happy and so much excited seeing the green land. I just liked it. It was like so amazing. It was so nice. I really liked about it. So guys, you can see how the country looks like, the green land. It was so sweet. It was so nice, so sweet, and I just like everything about it. I didn't knew what exactly was planted, or I didn't know whether it was grass, but personally I don't think whether it was grass. So I think it was maybe something that was planted, because when you look at the land very much well, it's so nice. You can see it's like something about farming, of which I don't know what exactly what it was. And so guys, I know you're going to watch it, enjoy it, see the country, how it looks like. It's so amazing. So guys, let's keep on watching. Let's watch and see the land, the Iraqi land, the none and only country of Iraqi. So guys, enjoy your watch. And so guys, what can you tell me? Can you just tell me, comment at the comment section and tell me how you think about the country, how you see about the green part of the Iraqi. So you can comment on my comment section, as you also like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, tell me everything that you think about it, guys. So let's keep on commenting and tell me everything that you think or what you suggest about it.